Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can sort your videos on your YouTube channel by most views using the YouTube Studio app on Android or mobile. So let us guide you through it. So let me launch YouTube Studio on my Android, and after that navigate to content here at the bottom, and here guys tap into view all next to videos, and you can apply various filters for your video library even here in the YouTube Studio application, especially if you're using a newer Android version than I'm using right now. So what you want to do is simply tap into sort by here at the top and select most viewed from that list, and that's it. Now you can of course disable that filter by tapping into the applied filter in the top left corner and select again most recent as default and tap into apply, and that should restore the default sorting or view. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.